Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view and remove members of your league and how to manage the member of the leagues in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new player because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24 with new feature, new season also. And let's start by tapping the league. And if you create your own league, will be your starting page, and tap this setting button, setting icon tap it at the top of your screen, and this one, manage member, the third option here. You can view and remove league member. You just tap it. So if there are some member, it will be listed here. You can view them, or you can even remove your member. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. Enjoy the game.